Good morning to everybody. Today we are going to see NRI home loan and mortgage loan. So many of my friends called and asked me uh, for NRI what are the best options we can go for that. So I want to do construction. So what are the preliminary documents I have to make ready like that. Another like I want sudden demand like a marriage function or I want to purchase some land. Other is for treatment I want some loan. So for that mortgage loan is there. So NRI home loan, NRI mortgage loan. In bank to bank it will vary the rate of interest. Here I have given for rate of interest of home loan and mortgage loan. This will be vary. Wherever if you go, first you must check rate of interest. Then period 15 years I have put period you have to check and other facilities and charges are there or not. So you have to check these three things and you have to make these documents ready to get your loan within 7 to 10 days. So if you have all the documents ready, sure the bank will give because you are having all the documents which needed, then they must give. So first thing, your service must be more than 2 years in foreign. I am working in America or I am working in Kuwait, Dubai or Yemen like that. Whether I have to completed 2 years of service. First question, yes, I have completed 2 years. So the tick mark will be there. These are the checklists. Then permanent job. Whether there I am a contract or permanent, it will be there. Contract means even contract also can apply. Minimum at least 5 years. The salary, the EMI they will look according to that they will consider. So mainly permanent job at foreign. Otherwise contract up to the period of 5 years or 10 years. So the period must be they have mentioned so that within that period the amount they are getting so they will repay like that. There is a formula. Salary slip. So total monthly salary slip they will check that gross and net. That net amount the bank statement they will check. In foreign some bank will be there. So whether that amount is credited there or not. So they will check. Another thing, passport. Your passport will be checked. Aadhaar, PAN, voter ID. Everything it will be checked. So we have a lateral or some due diligences they are there. So we will give to them. So within India, how they have to check. Outside of India, how whether they have to check because a lot of frauds are happening as a NRI customer. They are making all that reports. So they will check everything. That's the issue. So the property you must have plan approval and patta approval. So first best is that plan approval and patta approval must be there. So you are going to construct a loan house. So patta approval must be there. So you have to get plan approval from the authority like local authority or municipality. You must have the authority to construct the loan. After that you see estimation and construction. For estimation and construction, so 20 percentage margin will be there, 80 percentage they will give like that. For home loan it must be there. For mortgage loan there is no estimation of construction, so it is a simple loan that the mortgage property must have a plan approval and patta approval. After that your loan period will be up to 15 years. ITR or similar copy. Like in India, ITR we are filing. So in foreign, so similar ITR if there is, it will be best for us. After that, power of attorney. So I have come here. So I have executed all that. I want to go back suddenly. So you must have this power of attorney, and you will give power to your father, wife, or your relative to execute all the powers. Legal opinion, the property you are giving, the legal opinion will be taken. After that engineer evaluation will be taken. So they will give the from the legal this property is having free encumbrance, so it can be sold, the documents are valid. So everything they will tell, engineer will tell it has a very good road path, it can be sold, it can be marketable like that. Engineer will his report. Applicant and co-applicant. So if property is in me, my name, if I am married my wife will be a co-applicant. If I am unmarried my parents will be come as a co-applicant. If I am the source of finance, I am earning money but property is in my father or mother or father will come as applicant, I will come as a co-applicant. If I am married then my wife also will come as a guarantor, other legal heirs of my brother sister everybody will come as a guarantor. CIBIL Equifax experience will be checked to see whether what are the loans you have taken here, what are the loans you have taken outside. Everything will be coming in that. So the main purpose of construction or any sudden demand of marriage or medical, it has to be there. So when you open an account, it must be here that NRI account or NRO account. NRI is ordinary account maximum, and this is tax paid. So if you are having 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, if you transfer to this account, it will be taxed. For NRI account, there is no tax before going to home loan or mortgage loan. So rate of interest you must check. After that, period and these documents. If you are making all these documents ready at any time, you will be getting your loan in time. So it is not difficult. It is very easy. So we are earning our hard-earned money. If you want to do some savings, if we want to do some development for our family, or like a housing loan or mortgage loan, any property purchase, so you must go for this NRA loan, because for NRA, other than that, salary loan is not applicable. Other loans are not applicable. This is the best option. They can go for this and they can get for this. So they can get. So make these documents everything ready, and you approach the bank. You approach both the bank, which is best. You go and select. If any doubt, please comment.